How to create a broadcast channel on your Facebook page. Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to create a broadcast channel on your Facebook. Go ahead and open up facebook.com on your page, and from here you're going to switch to one of your pages. So if you have multiple pages, you can click on this drop down and then switch to your page profile. Then all you have to do here is just go to see page and you'll get to your page manager. Now just scroll down a bit here, and then from here you can find different options. So if you click on this more, you have all of these options from here. So what you need to do is, if you see the channel option here, you're just going to have to click on it. But currently I do not have it available on my page because this page is not that popular. It's just a example page. But if you have an active page, you should get a channel option right here. And then you should be able to create a broadcast channel with it. So click on the more option or the page channel option. Then you will have an option to create a chat for your followers. And then you can just click on it and then create a broadcast channel for your page. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.